Happy New Year! And here's a nice little New Year's drink to warm up your New Year's Day. All right, I call this Salted Caramel Kahlua Latte. And it's got a bunch of whipped cream on top, some chocolate shavings on there. Yes, there is salted caramel Kahlua in here, strong coffee. It's a very easy drink to make, as you're going to see in just a minute. Well, hang a sec, let's give it a try. Oh yes, that's going to be worth it. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. Very little work, lots of reward. Here's all the ingredients you need to make this fantastic drink. So over here, this is Salted Caramel Kahlua. It's really delicious, just as it is. Very, very caramelly. If you're wondering where did I find this here in Osaka, we have a set of stores called Don Quixote. Don Quixote is kind of a variety store, and you never know what you're going to find in there. My local Don Quixote always has salted caramel Kahlua. Fantastic. So we've got that. We've got milk. This is just regular homogenized milk. I don't like the thin stuff. So this is full-on homogenized milk. We have some coffee in there, and I use Lavazza, a very nice coffee. If you're going to go for coffee, go for the good stuff. And then the chocolate. We have little chocolate shavings on top and the whipped cream. Now, yes, you can make your own whipped cream. You can whip it up and all that. But I'll tell you, even you go to coffee shops, this is what they use because you can make a nice little thing on top. It's so easy to use. Just keep it in the fridge. Give it a little shake when you're ready to go. There you go. All right, so how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to make milk 2 parts, coffee 1 part, Kahlua 1 part. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat up the milk. We want hot milk. We don't want cold milk. So I got a little pot going here. I'm just going to put some milk in there because we're going to measure that out after. So I'll heat that up. I'll put that off to one side. And then let's get that going. At the same time as that's heating up, I want my coffee to be brewing. So I like to use one of these little French presses. Now, if I was making coffee regularly, I'd use 1 scoop of coffee. But I want good strong coffee for this, so I'm going to use 2 scoops of coffee. All right, put that off to one side. We don't need you anymore. Well, we do in the mornings, but not right now. All right, so I got that there. I've just boiled some water over here. So I'm going to put that in there. Up to about there, that's good. And stick the plunger in. And just a couple of minutes of brewing. That's going to be ready. The milk's going to come up to heat. Be back shortly. All right, the milk has come up to heat. Coffee is brewed. We're ready to start mixing this. So I've got a large mug here. And what I did at the same time as I was heating up the milk, I threw some hot water in there because that just warms that up. So we're not going to chill our drink. All right, so that's ready to go. Now we're going to measure, like I say, 2, 1, 1. So we want 2 things of milk. So let's go 1, 2. All right, 2 things of coffee. So first of all, I got to press that. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh, nice strong coffee. That'll wake you up in the morning. All right, got 1 thing of coffee in here. That's looking good. Yes, I grew up in Switzerland. I like a good milky coffee, milk cafe. If you want it a bit strong, you could cut back on the milk a bit if you want, but it's good this way. Now, 1 part of the salted caramel Kahlua. That's looking good. All right, let's get all these guys off to one side. Now, we got the chocolate and we got the whipped cream. So, the whipped cream. First of all, we put a nice topping on there, right? So we're just going to load that up. All right. Somehow I think the baristas at Starbucks do a nicer job of that than me, but hey, looking not bad. And then the chocolate. Take a little potato peeler and just kind of shave some chocolate on there. Oh, look at that. Now looking nice? Yeah, that's festive. All right, well, Happy New Year. All right, if you like this recipe, you want to try some other drinks, there are a few more here on the Kuma's Kitchen channel. In fact, I'll put one at the end. And check out the rest of the channel. Make sure you're subscribed if it is your first time here, and that you click that notification bell because you don't want to miss any interesting, unique, kind of eclectic recipes. Now, go. Make this and, well, make New Year's and cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.